In this video, we're going to show you how in manufacturing, having a single view of your customers will give you improved customer service and better business insight. We work with manufacturing clients daily. In fact, we've worked on over 800 projects. And what we find is that there are two things that manufacturing clients like you really want. The first is better collaboration between teams, for example, sales and marketing. And the second is improved customer experience across your business so that anyone in your organization can pick up an inquiry from a client and understand the customer journey. There are several challenges that we notice when working with manufacturing clients like you. In larger manufacturing clients, their processes are mature, whereas in SMEs, often the processes are still being established and they're in people's heads. What we also see is often people are working in silos with little visibility of others working across the business. And there's certainly no single view of your interactions with that customer over the customer journey with your business. And this leads to missing customer data, whether it's about your sales orders, interactions, complaints, and this can result in poor decision-making and poor customer experience. So what happens when you have all of your data in one central place is your operations team and your executive team are able to make better decisions because you have real-time insight into your business performance, other critical data about your customers, as well as which are your best-selling products. In a recent paper manufacturing client we worked with, they had two sales teams. They used two spreadsheets to manage their client data. This resulted in duplicate orders and clients being called twice. So what we did is we implemented a single solution to manage their client data. So as a result, the client was much better able to track inventory in real time and also to manage their supply of materials into the business. So better sales data gave the sales team better insight into capacity so they could give more accurate lead times for deliveries to customers. By using a CRM system, they were able to get the data that was in the sales team's head into an electronic system. And what that meant was when the lead salesperson wasn't available, anyone could pick up that sales inquiry and support the client. The benefits we've seen from implementing CRM for clients in manufacturing like you is increased profits, increased upsell of products to their clients, reduced risk on one-man dependencies, and improvement in customer experience, which can increase the lifetime value of your customers. I'm Carleen Jackson, the founder and CEO of Cloud9 Insight. We work exclusively with small and medium-sized businesses to help them with their profitability using digital technologies. Why not connect with us?